In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this delicious chicken and vegetables for my family. Stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, these are my chicken. I've already washed the chicken. As you can see, it's already clean. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend all my seasoning together. In the plate I have Maggi, I have curry powder, I have salt, I have thyme, I have lemon and pepper seasonings, I have garlic stick seasoning, jerk seasoning, and also paprika. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them inside my blender and blend with onions, green pepper, red pepper, ginger, habanero pepper. I'm gonna blend that all together with half cup of oil. I'm gonna blend it together to use it to marinate my chicken. Okay, you see, those are my onions. I have onions, I have red pepper, green pepper, ginger, fresh ginger, then habanero pepper. I'm going to blend them together with the seasoning. Then I will add half cup of oil. I'll blend everything together. I'm going to use it to marinate the chicken. Yeah, see, I'm adding my seasoning to it, then I'll blend. As you can see, add my oil. I'll blend. I'm not going to blend it so smooth. I'm going to blend it roughly blend. Then I will use it to marinate the chicken. Then I'll set aside for 1 hour. As you can see, I'm pouring them inside the chicken. You want the sauce to enter inside the chicken very well. Okay, see what I'm doing? You can use your bare hand if you want. I don't want to use my bare hand because I don't want my hand to be spicy later, you know. I'm just trying to coat everything to make them even. After we're marinated, I'll cover it with a plastic wrap and I'll set aside for about 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, I'm done marinating it. Then I'll use a plastic wrap to cover it and keep inside the fridge for 1 hour. Yes, I'll leave it for 1 hour to marinate so that the sauce will get inside that chicken very well, so that by the time it's all done, when you are eating your chicken, the flavor, oh my goodness. Now after 1 hour, I'll get my train. I use oil to rub the train so that it won't be sticky. Yeah, now I'm just going to line up my chicken on the train. While this is I'm doing this, I've already preheated my oven for 400 degrees. Okay, my oven is already preheated for 400 degrees. As you can see, I'm just using more sauce to rub the chicken. The more the better. Guys, this food was so tasty. My kids really enjoyed this chicken. They really enjoyed it. Okay, just look at what I'm doing. Just keep watching. At this point, guys, I just want to appreciate every one of you. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my members. For those of you that have joined my membership, I said thank you so much. May God bless you guys. I really appreciate every one of you. I really appreciate the support. For those of you that keep sharing my video, I really appreciate every one of you. For those of you that keep coming back to watch my video, I really appreciate every one of you. Right now I'm going to put the chicken inside the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now I like to bake for almost 1 hour because I want my chicken to be crispy, well cooked. Yeah, just keep it there for 1 hour. Then while the chicken is cooking, I have my pan here. I'm going to be frying onions, green pepper, red pepper, red onions together. Right now I've just added my coconut. I'm going to be using coconut oil to fry my vegetables. Okay, I'm just going to fry my vegetable a little bit because I just want this food to be all veggies and heaty healthy is the best. Okay, right now I'm frying my onions. I have my white onions and my red onions. I'm going to stir it together, just give a little stir. Then after I'll add the rest of my vegetables. I have green pepper, red pepper, and habanero pepper. You know, in my house we like spicy, we like it hot. Even my kids, they love spicy. You know, Africa house we have to eat spicy. We love spicy in my house. Okay, if you are the one that doesn't like spicy, don't add your habanero pepper. Okay, what I'm gonna do, right now I'm adding all my green vegetable to it. Then I'll just stir fry a little bit. I'm not gonna do it that long. I just want it to be a little crunchy. Now I'm adding my thyme to it. I'm adding my seasoning. I added my thyme. Then I'm gonna add curry. I added curry, and also I'm gonna add my Maggi, my chicken seasoning. Then I will stir everything together. Yeah, just stir everything together. Stir and keep stirring. Like the whole house was smelling good because of the coconut oil. The coconut oil really make it taste more, even more better. Like the smell of coconut was like, oh my goodness, it was so yummy. Yeah, that's it. It's all done. Like you see, the food is all ready. I made the rest off camera. I have my salad over there, my maize, that's my corn, then my green beans, then oven baked potato. Then I fried some another spicy pepper to eat. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before the end of the video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Look at the finished look, guys. The food was so yummy. The kids love it, my husband love it. I appreciate every one of you. Bye guys. Bye.